Sasha Spilberg is a Russian social media influencer, model, and blogger. She is best known for her Instagram account, where she shares photos and videos of her daily life, travels, and fashion. Sasha has gained a massive following on social media and has become one of the most popular influencers in Russia. In this article, we will take a closer look at Sasha Spilberg's net worth and investments. Early life and career. Sasha Spilberg was born on January 17, 1996, in Moscow, Russia. She graduated from the Moscow State University of International Relations with a degree in international law. Sasha started her career as a model, but later shifted her focus to social media. She started her Instagram account in 2013, and since then, she has gained a massive following. Sasha Spilberg's net worth is estimated to be around $1.5 million. She has earned her fortune through various sources, including brand partnerships, endorsements, and sponsored content on social media. Sasha has collaborated with many top brands in Russia, including Mercedes-Benz, L'Oreal, Dior, and others. She has also launched her own fashion line and has a collection of sunglasses called Sasha Spilberg x Sensolatino. In addition, Sasha has appeared in several music videos and has hosted various events. Sasha Spilberg has made some smart investments over the years. She has invested in the stock market, real estate, and cryptocurrency. Sasha is a firm believer in the power of investing, and she encourages her followers to start investing as early as possible. Real estate. Sasha Spilberg has invested in several properties in Russia. In 2018, she purchased an apartment in the prestigious Golden Mile area of Moscow. The apartment is located in one of the most expensive and exclusive areas of Moscow, and its value is estimated to be around $2 million. Stock market. Sasha Spilberg has invested in the stock market and is an active investor. She believes in the power of long-term investing and has a diversified portfolio. Sasha has invested in various companies, including Google, Apple, Amazon, and others. Cryptocurrency. Sasha Spilberg is a strong believer in the power of cryptocurrency. She has invested in various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Sasha believes that cryptocurrency is the future of money and encourages her followers to invest in it. Social media presence. Sasha Spilberg has a massive following on social media. She has over 1.5 million followers on Instagram and is also active on YouTube and TikTok. Sasha uses her social media platforms to promote her brand partnerships, share her daily life, and give fashion and beauty tips. Sasha's social media presence has helped her grow her brand and reach a wider audience. She has also been able to monetize her social media platforms through sponsored content and brand partnerships. Conclusion. Sasha Spilberg is a successful social media influencer, model, and entrepreneur. She has built a successful brand and has a massive following on social media. Sasha's net worth is estimated to be around $1.5 million, and she has made smart investments in real estate, the stock market, and cryptocurrency. Sasha is an advocate for investing and encourages her followers to start investing early. She has built a successful brand by using her social media platforms to promote her brand partnerships, share her daily life, and give fashion and beauty tips. Sasha Spilberg is a true example of how hard work and smart investments can pay off.